Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook Omurice. First, the ingredients: hot rice. Next, chicken thigh cut into cubes, and minced onion, and then 2 eggs. Afterwards, I stir, and then torigarasu. Parang ano po ito, yung pampasarap, yung magic sarap, parang ganun siya, ito, pampasarap. Then salt and pepper, then ketchup, tomato ketchup, and then fresh milk, going to add fresh milk, like 2 to 3 spoons. Just like that, and then turn on fire. Isa lang ho natin yung chicken muna. Put some oil, cooking oil. Put cooking oil inside the pan. At i-gisa na natin yung chicken. Add some salt to taste. Add some salt to taste. And then salt to tomato. This is a Japanese food. Then, lagay na rin natin sa gilid yung onions para naluluto na rin siya. Lutuin ho natin hanggang mawala yung pula-pula niya. Then stir. Stir lang po natin. Dito lang. Then, pagkatapos niyan, the hot rice. Pwede mo yung malaling, and then i-microwave na lang, painitin nyo. This is good for 1 person. Then put some salt and pepper, a little bit, ajinomoto, and then torigarasu. Magic sarap po ito sa atin, pampasarap. Tapos niyan, tomato ketchup. Then tomato ketchup. Ay, 5 ganun. Then, gisa-gisa ho natin. Hanggang maghalo yung ketchup sa rice. Then, patayin ho natin yung fire. Then, ilagay ho lang natin dito saglit. Then, hugasan ho yung kawali kasi ito yung non-stick. Hugasan ko lang saglit. Maganda kasi non-stick.